uWanda uthi ngesikhathi amaphoyisa egasele emzini kaKatiso Molefe afika athola amalunga amaHawks nababuza ukuthi bangobani nanokuthi bazokwenzani kulomuzi. Uthi ukholwa ukuthi indlela amaHawks abaphatha ngayo yayinokuxambukela kuleli cala futhi ibaphazamisa ekwenzeni umsebenzi wabo njengamaphoyisa.
The presence of the Hawks were concerning to me because they came in numbers. They came in numbers, Commissioner, and I didn't expect them in that big number. And when I interacted with them, they were a bit aggressive.
Uthi kunabanye abambuza ukuthi ingabuyazi yini ukuthi lo muntu abazombopha ungumngane omkhulu kaNgqongqoshe wamaphoyisa uSenzo Mchunu.
He asked me a question that Captain, what is going to happen now? Because the arrested person is the friend of the honorable of the Minister of Police.
Uthi sabasibi kakhulu isimo phakathi kwabo namalunga amaHawks kwacishe kwasukuthuli lwezichwe. Kwabese kufonelwa uBrigadier uLesiba Mokoena noyinhloko ebhekele ukujutshwa kwamalunga amaHawks endaweni yesigameko. AmaHawks athi atshelwa ukuthi kunabantu abazenza amaphoyisa emzini kaMolefe yingakho ejutshwe khona.
Do you accept that it was wrong for a team of Hawks officials to attend to the scene at Sandhurst?
Commissioner, I'll try to answer that question. I sent 2 members. According to Captain Wanda's testimony, say a group of Hawks members. So there's a different from what my instruction was to my 2 members only. And then there was a group of Hawks of which is what I declared to the Commission to say they also indicated the marked Hawks cars of which I cannot be held accountable on those.
Isicau siyaqhubeka.
Police officers.